Masalova, who won the gold in the 10,000 meters for women. So the question is that the Kyrgyzstan boy in the center, is he going to be strong enough to take it away? Yes, the 10,000 meters still continues. It's still the same pattern. Lakshmanan has dropped back. It's T Gopi in the lead right now. The T Gopi, the services boy, along with Govindan Lakshmanan. Lakshmanan having won the 5,000 meters. And when I spoke about some of the important aspects of psychology of long distance running for these three runners, Adilet of Kyrgyzstan is bunched in the middle. Now, does he have the resolve to go through? Because we are now coming up slowly but surely to the final lap, and that's why I said bone and muscle structure, unlike quadruped mammals, have their center of mass in the front of the hind legs or the limbs in bicep mantle. And there you are now, the final 400 meters. The bell has gone. 29 minutes 05, ticking away. Important out there. The record will not be broken. 28 minutes 23.70. H. Mehboob of Bahrain. The crowd is on their feet. Is it going to be Lakshmanan? Is it going to be T Gopi? This crowd is excited. Look at that out there. Lakshmanan going in for the double. T Gopi, the marathon runner, is now lagging behind. Is it Lakshmanan? Oh, what a race this is turning out to be. No record out there, but a double for India. The gold and the silver definitely on your picture frame. And, oh well, last 110 meters to go. It is 3:22. His number we saw in the 5,000 meters. He is now going great man. 80 meters to go, 70 meters to go, 50 meters to go. He will take the gold. Here, a second gold, a double for G. Lakshmanan of India. He wins the gold out here in the 10,000 meters. And the crowd out here is ecstatic. And just behind him, a close second, is T Gopi of India.
जैसा कि हमने आपको कहा, चर्चा भी यही चल रही थी कि अपनी क्षमताओं का उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन कैसे किया जाए, कैसे अपनी एनर्जी को बचा के रखा जाए और अंतिम समय में उसे झोंक दिया जाए। वही प्रदर्शन किया हमारे भारत के एथलीट ने और उसका एक परिणाम, सकारात्मक परिणाम निकल करके आया और स्वर्ण पदक भारत की झोली में आया।
एंड इन द थर्ड पोजीशन इज Adilet Kistebekov of Kyrgyzstan. They are, the Indian tricolor. It will go up. One more national anthem for India. And what a winner, Govindan Lakshmanan. His best timing earlier on was 29 minutes 13.50. I don't think he's bothered about the timing, but his coach, there he is, Surinder Singh from the army, their coach. Come into the picture frame, Surinder. You are a proud man. Surinder Singh, their coach, the coach of T Gopi and Govindan Lakshmanan. As we go down and join Arjun Chaudhary for a chat with the two.
Winner of the 10,000 meters, Gopi Thanakal and G. Lakshmanan. G. Lakshmanan had earlier won the 5,000 meters gold as well. 2 gold medals for India. Congratulations.
Lakshmanan, give us a few words about your performance. कैसे किया आपने?
आज टेक्निकल रेस है। आज हमारे इंडिया के लिए एक मेडल के लिए मैंने कोशिश किया। वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप में मेरे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा।
अब आप वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप में डायरेक्ट एंट्री ले रहे हैं।
मैं उधर जाके अच्छा टाइमिंग करेगा मैंने पक्का।
और गोपी आप कैसे फील कर रहे हैं?
ये मेरा फर्स्ट इंटरनेशनल मेडल है। बहुत अच्छा महसूस हो रहा है क्योंकि मैं एटीएफ में पहले बार रनिंग कर रहा हूँ और मैं ऊपर वाले को थैंक्स बोलना चाहता हूँ। भगवान मेरा जीते तक पहुँचाया, इसलिए उनको ये धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ। और मेरा कोच, सपोर्टिंग स्टाफ और एथलेटिक फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिया एंड साई सबको, मैं श्योर पूरा सबको मेरा धन्यवाद कहता हूँ। इधर ऑडियंस है, ऑडियंस बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट किया उनके वजह से।
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
So look at that. Govindan Lakshmanan, he was always eyeing the second gold medal of these championships. I don't know whether anyone has bagged a double here in these 4 days here at Bhubaneswar. The man from the Indian Army, the man representing in the Indian colors, he is gliding away as an albatross. The bird glides over water, and he is the champion of the 5,000 meters and the 10,000 meters. Wonderful strides out there, hands up, which is the tradition these days, and he takes the gold in the men's 10,000 meters, 29 minutes 55. and it's not a record out here. Who cares about a record? A gold medal at the end of the day is a gold. Close on his feet is T. Gopi. The two are coached by Surinder Singh at the high altitudes at Ooty and at the Army Sports Institute in Pune. Also at the national camp under the AFI in Patiala. But yes, I think Surinder Singh himself, a 5,000 meters and a 10,000 meters runner, must be a very proud man, because Govindan Lakshmanan has done him and the nation very proud as he kisses the air and says, a double for me and I've got a wonderful future ahead. This is an ecstatic moment not only for Lakshmanan but the entire country, because a little later the national anthem of India, the flag will be furling high in the air, and look at that, T. Gopi and G. Lakshmanan. Nitin Rawat is the third of them, who trains basically a marathoner, and Nitin Rawat is not here, still runs the marathon, and this crowd, I can tell you, has had their money's worth, as one would say. Ritesh, you can't have anything better.
बिल्कुल सही कहा मिलिंद जी आपने कि शुरू से एक स्ट्रेटेजी, शुरू से एक रणनीति बना करके जो रखी उसको फॉलो किया